duplicate files quietly eating up your disk space. Here's how to find and remove every one of them, fast and completely safely. SysTools Duplicate File Finder scans your system and safely removes every duplicate file. Scan the full drive, individual partitions, USB devices, or just selected folders. Find duplicates by file content, file name, or file extension, exactly as you need. Compare using MD5 hash, SHA-256, or bit by bit, for 100% accuracy. Filter by size and date, exclude system files, and it supports over 70 file types. Then delete, move, or replace duplicates with hard links to reclaim real disk space. First, download and launch SysTools Duplicate File Finder on Windows or Mac. Choose your storage medium, entire disk, a partition, USB drive, or a specific folder. Tick the checkbox next to the drive you want to scan. Use the advanced options to exclude system, hidden, temporary, and recycle bin files, then click Next. In Scan Settings, choose how to find duplicates, by content, name, or extension, and pick a comparison method, MD5, SHA-256, or bit by bit. Scan all file types, or enter specific extensions to include or exclude. Apply a size filter using greater than or less than, in kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes. Add a date filter for the last modified or created date, within your range. Set a reference folder to match duplicates only against the folder you choose. Turn on Prevent System Sleep so long scans are never interrupted. Once everything is set, click Start Scan to begin the search. Watch folders, files, duplicates, and data scanned update live as it runs. When it finishes, the scan reaches 100%. Click Next. Preview the detected duplicates and review them before taking any action. Turn on Recursive to include sub-folders and reveal every duplicate group. Now choose Delete, Move, or Create Hard Link, based on your needs. Confirm, and the duplicates are removed, instantly reclaiming your valuable disk space. Like, share, and subscribe. Then download the tool, and visit systoolsgroup.com today. Thanks for watching.